Welcome back students to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about cubes. So first of all, let's start with what is the meaning of cubes. Cubes for any number m. Suppose we want to find a cube. Then how we will write it? M multiply by m multiply by m. Means the number we will multiply how many times? 3 times. And we will get the cube of m. And it is how it is written as? It is written as m cube. M raised to power 3, that is a cube of any number m. Suppose I am writing here 5. M is what we have 5. Then how I will find the cube of 5? 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. How many times I multiply 5 here? 3 times. And it will be equal to 5 cube. And what is 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 is 125. So this is the cube of a number 5. Clear? For any number m, if we want to multiply that, the cube of that number, we will multiply it how many times? 3 times. And simply it is written in exponent form as 5 cube. Clear? Now let's move next. Perfect cube. The cube of a number what we get is called as perfect cube. Suppose we are having number 6 and we are finding the cube of that number. So how we will find? 6 multiply by 6 multiply by 6. 3 times we will multiply 6. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. So what answer we got here? 216. So student, this 216 is nothing but a perfect cube. Okay, when we multiply a number 3 times, the answer which we will get is called as perfect cube. So here the answer is 216 and it is a perfect cube. I hope cube is clear to you. Now let's start with the examples, the questions which generally comes from this topic cube. Suppose we have, they are asking, is 297 is a perfect cube? So how we will find that? First we will find all the factors, prime factors of 297. Let's start this example. What we have a number here? 297. We need to check whether this number is a perfect cube. Now in which number it will be divisible? 5. First it will go on 3 table. 3 9s are 27. And then again 2 left here and 3 9s are 27. 99 comes. Then again it will go on 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again it will go on which table? 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Then what, where 11 comes? 11 goes on which table? 11. 11 1s are 11. So what, now we got all the prime factors of number 297. What are those? 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 11. Now students, look here, the 3 here, how many times 3 is coming? 3 times. So it is in a triplet form, but the number 11 is not coming 3 times. It is coming only 1 time. So it is not in the triplet form. If 11 also comes 3 times, then we can say that the number is a perfect cube. But here only 3 is coming 3 times. So it is not a perfect cube. Why? What is the reason what you will write here? Since the triplet of a number 11 is not formed. Okay. Since the triplet of number 11 is not formed. So the given number is not a perfect cube. Student, I hope triplet is clear to you. Like in the case of square, we are making the 2 pairs. Here in the case of triplet, we are making the 3 digits pairs. Like the first pair here is the triplet is what? 3. But 11 is not in the triplet form. So the number, this 297, is not a perfect cube. No, it is not a perfect cube. Clear this question? Let's move to the next question. Is number 2744 is a perfect cube? Let's start solving this example so that it is more clear to you, this concept. What we will find? First we will find all the prime factors of the number 2744. So now The last number is even, so it will be easily divisible by 2. So what I will write here, 2. Then when I divide this 2744 by 2, what I will get, 1372. Again the last number is even number, so it will again divisible by 2. Then what number I will get here, yes, 686. Again the number is even, so it can go on to 2 table, it will be divisible. So what I will get, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. After this, on which prime number it will go, 343? Yes, it will go on 7 table. So 7 and 49 we will get when we will divide. Again it will go on 7 table, 7 7s are 49. Again it will go on 7 table, and 7 1s are 7. Now what will be my next step? I will write all the factors of number this here. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. These all are the prime factors of number 2744. Now students, look here, we have to form the triplets. Then the first number is what we have, prime number 2, and it is here in which form? Triplet form. Yes, because it is coming how many times? 3 times. So first triplet is ready. Let's move to the next. What we have next, number 7. This number 7 is also in a triplet form because it is also coming 3 times. Write it, 2 cube multiply by 7 cube. Why cube? Because both are coming 3 times. Okay, so now 2 and 7, the power is same, so we can simply write it as 2 multiplied by 7 whole raised to power 3. So what is 2 into 7? It is 14. So 14 raised to power 3. So it is nothing but a perfect cube. This means 14 raised to power 3 is equal to what? 2744. So yes, it is a perfect cube. Now next, what is the question which generally they ask from this cube topic? What is the smallest number by which we multiply this number 3087 so that the product is a perfect cube? The first step is same. First we will find all the prime factors of the number 3087. So first it will be divisible by which table? 3. When we divide this number with 3, what answer we will get? 1029. Again it will be divisible by 3, and what answer we will get? 740. Sorry, it is 343. Again it is divisible by which table now? 343 is divisible by 7. 7 into 49. And again 7 7s are 49. Again 7 1s are 7. So after finding all the prime factors of this number, I will write it as like this: 3 into 3, 7 into 7 into 7. Now from here it is clear that the number 7, it is coming in which form? Triplet form. But number 3, it is not coming in triplet form. Okay, we need one more 3, only then the triplet of 3 will be complete. So what is the smallest number with which we multiply the given number so that it is perfect cube? The answer is what? 3. Okay, when we multiply this number with 3, we will get the perfect cube. I'll show you how. If I will write here 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 and 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. 7 was already in triplet form, so there is no issue with this. Only 3 we have here. How many 3s? 2, but we need it in triplet. If it is in triplet form, so what I will get here? Now it is perfect. I can write it as 3 cube into 7 cube, and simply again 3 into 7 whole cube. So what is 3 raised to power? 3 7s are 21 and 21 cube. So 21 cube is nothing but it is what we have, the perfect cube. So to make the number perfect cube, we need to multiply it with which number? 3. The smallest number is which number? 3. I hope this lecture is clear to you. If it is clear, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody.